In this tutorial, I will show you that how you can fix Gmail session expired in just few easy steps. So let's dive right in. So here we are in this home page. So if we open Gmail, so if Gmail is showing you session expired, sometimes this session expired due to your long-term inactivity. In such case, you have to sign in again into your Google account and again provide your password to log into your account from this Gmail. If you click on this profile picture and scroll it down, here it will give you this manage account on this device. Click on that and it will show you this type of window here. You have to open this Google where it will show you your all Google accounts. You have to scroll it down until you find the account where it's showing session expired error. You can click on that and from right top side, if you click on that icon, it will show you here remove account. Click on that and remove account from here. After removing it, it will take you to this page again. You have to again click on this profile picture and scroll it down. Here, click on this add another account, select Google and then simply try to sign it again. This session expired due to your long-term inactivity. So you should have actively using this Gmail account in order to get rid of Gmail session expired error in future. So that's how you can fix Gmail session expired in just few easy steps.